Hey Java developer, how about having a work routine with more free time for yourself and your family? I want to show you how you can follow a simple step-by-step process to level up your career and achieve a lifestyle with more free time while still earning more. I've prepared a free class to review everything in detail. In this class, you will discover how to increase your salary, how to get promoted, and how to work flexible hours and have more free time. How to get hired by a multinational company and earn in dollars or euros. How to become a reference for your coworkers and employers, and much more. And if you're tired and don't know how to break free from this stressful routine of bad code, bugs, and work overload, then you will like what I will reveal to you in class. The life and routine of successful developer are very appealing, but only a few manage to live their best version. And that's what I want to show you in a free class. Yes, the registration to watch is free. And to learn more details, click the button below and you will discover how to unlock your career quickly with a simple step-by-step process that I applied to my career and dozens of other developers I mentor. Just click on the button below to learn more about this class.